Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Story Fluent English channel, where learning English is both easy and enjoyable. I'm Juliet.
Hi, Julia. It's great to be here today. How are you?
I'm wonderful, Bob. Thank you. How about you?
I'm a bit hungry, Julia.
Hungry already?
Yes, I'm thinking about food. Lots of food. A big burger, fries, and a large soda. Mmm, yum.
Wow, Bob, that sounds tasty. You're making me hungry too.
Sorry, but that gives us a perfect idea for today's podcast.
Oh, yes. Let's talk about food. Let's talk about eating at a restaurant.
Exactly. Going to a restaurant and speaking English can be easy and fun. It's also a great way to practice. So, today we'll talk about English conversation in a restaurant.
That's a great topic. But first, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel, Story Fluent English channel.
Yes, and give this video a thumbs up if you're hungry like me. Share it with your friends and family. It really helps us out.
It sure does. Thanks, everyone. So, Bob, you're at the restaurant door. What do you do? What do you say?
Good question. I open the door, walk in, and I see someone, the host or the waiter. I smile and say hello or hi.
Hello, easy. I can handle that.
Yes, you can. Then you need a table. You can say a table for two, please.
Ah, a table for two, please, if it's me and you.
Exactly. Or a table for three, please, if you have another friend. Just say a table for and the number of people.
Right. Simple. A table for one, please, if you're by yourself.
Okay. Hello, a table for one, please.
And the waiter might smile and say, "This way, please," or "Follow me, please."
Then I follow the waiter to my table.
Yes. You sit down, and what's the first thing you want at the table, Bob?
The food?
Close. Before the food, you need the menu.
Ah, yes, the menu. To see and choose the food.
Exactly. The waiter might bring you the menu, or you can ask for it.
How do I ask for the menu in English?
You can say, "Can I have the menu, please?"
Can I have the menu, please? Very polite.
Yes, please is a very important word in a restaurant. It's friendly and kind.
Okay, so I have the menu. I open it and see words like starters, main courses, desserts, and drinks.
Nice. Starters are the small dishes you eat first, like soup or a little salad.
Soup. I like soup. Tomato soup is good.
Me too. After the starters, you look at the main courses.
The main course is the big dish, right? The main meal.
Exactly. Like chicken, fish, pasta, or your hamburger.
Mmm, hamburger.
And dessert?
Dessert is the sweet food you eat at the end, like cake, ice cream, or fruit.
I love dessert. Chocolate cake is my favorite.
Ooh, chocolate cake is a great choice. And finally, drinks.
Drinks are things like water, juice, or soda.
Perfect. You know all the words, Julia.
I'm learning. So the waiter comes to my table, smiles, and says,
He'll probably ask, "Are you ready to order?"
"Are you ready to order?" And I can say, "Yes, I am."
Yes. Or yes, please. And if you need more time, you can say, "Just a minute, please."
That's very helpful. Just a minute, please. But I'm hungry. I'm ready. So I say, "Yes, I am."
Great. Now it's time to order. This is the fun part.
How do I say it? I want a hamburger. I want is okay, but a more polite way is I'd like or I'll have.
Oh, that sounds nicer. So I can say, "I'd like the hamburger, please."
Perfect. The waiter will understand that.
Okay, I'd like the hamburger. What else can I say? You said I'll have.
Yes, I'll have means I will have. You can say, "I'll have the hamburger, please."
I'll have the hamburger. Sounds very natural. I like it.
Let's practice. I'll be the waiter. Hello. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I'd like the tomato soup to start, please.
Okay, tomato soup. And for your main course.
I'll have the hamburger, please.
Excellent choice. And would you like something to drink?
Ah, the drink. I forgot. What do I say?
Same pattern, "I'd like" or "I'll have."
Okay. I'd like a soda, please.
Perfect. So that's one tomato soup, one hamburger, and one soda. The waiter may repeat the order to check it's correct.
Yes, exactly. You can just say, "Yes, that's right. Thank you."
Thank you. Another key polite phrase.
Always. So you order your food, wait a bit, talk with your friend, and then the food arrives. The best moment.
The waiter brings the food and says, "Enjoy your meal."
Enjoy your meal.
And I say,
You say thank you.
"Okay, the food is on the table. My hamburger looks so good."
And my salad looks fresh and tasty.
During the meal, the waiter might come back.
Yes, and ask, "Is everything okay?"
If it's good, I can say,
You can say, "Yes, it's delicious," or "Yes, everything is great. Thank you."
"Delicious." That's a nice word. It means very, very good, like my hamburger.
Exactly. What if I need something like more water?
Good question. Make eye contact with the waiter and say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me, to get their attention, right? Then, can I have some more water, please?
Yes. Or "Can I have some more bread, please?" Or "Another soda, please."
Very useful. It's all simple and polite.
It is. The key words are please and thank you.
Okay, I've finished my delicious hamburger. I'm full and happy.
Me too. My salad was great. But what about dessert?
Oh, dessert. How could I forget the chocolate cake? The waiter might ask, "Would you like to see the dessert menu?"
And I say, "Yes, please."
You look at the dessert menu, see the chocolate cake, and when the waiter returns, you say, "I'd like the chocolate cake, please."
Perfect. You're a pro, Bob.
It's easy when you explain it, Julia. So, I eat my delicious cake. Now I'm really full.
The meal is over. It was wonderful. Time to pay.
Ah, the bill. The money part.
Yes. So again, get the waiter's attention. Excuse me. Then say, can I have the bill, please, or the check, please?
Bill or check. They mean the same thing.
Yes. In the UK, people say bill more. In the US, people say check more. Both are fine.
Okay. The bill, please, works great.
It does. The waiter will bring the paper with the total.
And I can pay with cash or card.
Exactly. You can ask, do you take credit cards if you're not sure?
Good idea. And when I give the payment, I can say, here you are.
Yes, here you are. Very natural. They take your payment and bring it back.
And that's it. I'm ready to go.
Yes, stand up, smile, and as you leave, say thank you, goodbye.
A nice way to finish. Thank you. Goodbye.
It really shows you enjoyed the meal and service.
Let's do a quick review, a role play. You be the waiter, and I'll be the customer.
Great idea. I love role plays.
Hello, sir. Welcome.
Hello? A table for one, please.
Of course. This way, please. Here's your table.
Thank you. Can I see the menu, please?
Certainly. Here you are. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I'd like the chicken with vegetables, please.
Excellent choice. Anything to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water, please.
Perfect. One chicken with vegetables and one water. I'll be right back with your drink.
Thank you.
Wow, Julia, you're doing so well.
This is fun. It helps me remember.
It does. It shows the whole conversation from start to finish.
Then the food arrives.
Here's your chicken and your water. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks great.
Is everything okay?
Yes, it's delicious. Thank you.
Wonderful. Let me know if you need anything. Are you finished?
Yes, I'm done. It was so good. Now I need to pay. Excuse me,
Yes, ma'am.
can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Right away. Here's your bill.
Thank you. Here you are.
Thank you, ma'am. I'll be right back.
Here's your card and your receipt.
Thank you for everything. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a wonderful day.
Wow, that was the whole process. It seems so easy now.
It is. The phrases are short and simple. A table for can I have, I'd like, and the bill, please?
And always please and thank you.
Always. Politeness makes everyone feel good.
I feel more confident now. I think I can go to a restaurant and order in English.
I know you can, Bob, and everyone listening can too. Just start simple. Order something you know, like fish and chips or a cheese pizza.
That's a good idea. Don't choose something with a long, difficult name at first. Keep it simple and smile. A smile is understood everywhere.
A smile and please. That's my new plan.
Perfect plan. It always works.
What about you, Bob? What's your favorite food to order?
Ooh, I love pasta. Any kind. Pasta with tomato sauce is my favorite.
Simple and always tasty.
A classic. Very nice.
And you, Julia, besides burgers,
I like pizza. A big pizza with cheese and mushrooms.
pizza. Now I'm thinking about it.
See? We always end up hungry after this podcast.
True, but I hope today's conversation was helpful for everyone listening.
I hope so too. Remember, practice is key. You can even practice at home with a friend or family member.
Yes, one person can be the waiter and the other the customer, just like we did. It really helps.
It does. And don't be afraid of making mistakes. People are usually kind and helpful.
That's the best advice, Bob. Just try. People will appreciate your effort.
Exactly. I think that's plenty of useful information for one episode.
I agree. It was a delicious one.
It sure was. Thank you all so much for listening.
Yes, thank you. We hope you feel ready to visit a restaurant and order in English. Don't forget to subscribe to Story Fluent English channel so you don't miss the next episodes.
And please share this episode with anyone learning English. It'll help them too. For today's comment, tell us what's your favorite food to order at a restaurant.
Ooh, yes. I can't wait to read your answers. Is it pizza, pasta, or a hamburger? Let us know.
We look forward to reading your comments. Thanks again for joining us. Until next time, keep practicing and keep smiling. Goodbye, everyone. Bye for now.